Taman Harmoni, where serenity meets nature. Content. Taman Harmoni, or Harmony Park, is a tranquil oasis nestled in the heart of the city. This green sanctuary offers a perfect escape from the urban hustle and bustle. With its lush gardens, serene ponds, and shaded walkways, it's a haven for nature lovers and those seeking peaceful moments. Visitors can unwind under the canopy of trees, meditate by the water's edge, or take a leisurely stroll along winding pathways. Taman Harmoni's harmonious ambience lives up to its name, making it a favorite spot for picnics, yoga enthusiasts, and anyone looking to reconnect with nature in the midst of the city.